Nie-tech Company Limited was founded in 2009, located in Dongguan. It is a high-tech supplier with 12 years' experience in the smart home field and specializes in smart home products design and develop. We own the experienced and innovative R&D team, which is dedicated to developing innovative and cost-effective products for users. Our full range of successful in Z-Wave, Wi-Fi, Zigbee, and Bluetooth smart home products for both home and industrial applications. Our wide range of smart home technologies, which earned us very much great confidence from our customers for their reliability and range performance, help our customers turn their innovative ideas into successful products. Till now, we total have 3 invention patents, 16 design patents, and 6 utility model patents. All of our products are designed with quality in mind and comply with ETL, FCC, CE, Z-Wave, and RoHS certificates. Our core mission is to provide a beautiful, simple, safety product to customers. IoT, Internet of Things, Smart Home is here. EVA, Logik, full range of products will make it even better. Focus on users' experience. DIY installation and customer service. Let people feel easier and happier to enjoy the smart home world without any worries. We are always standing behind our products and customers. We sincerely welcome customers from all over the world to negotiate business with us and seek a win-win solution.